Hey there, welcome to English with Hamda. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to use do, does, and did correctly. Before we talk about do, does, and did, let's see the basic grammar rule with these forms. In present, if the subject is singular as he, she, and it, we use does. And in present, if the subject is plural as I, you, we, they, we use do. And in past, if the subject is singular as he, she, it, we use did. And if the subject is plural as I, you, we, they, we use did. So to talk about the past to any subject, we use did. Let's now talk about the first use of these three forms. Number one, making negative sentences in present. To understand this, let's take a positive sentence. I like to play football. What is the verb here? Like is the main verb. Let's make it negative. We use not to the helping verb here. So what do we do now? We add do as a helping verb here. Then we put not to it. So it becomes I do not like football. Now let's move to the second example. He likes to play football. Remember, for singular in present, we use does. Since we already have s in does, we remove s in the main verb. So likes become like. So the negative sentence is he doesn't like to play football. Now let's move to the past. In past, we use did always. For example, they lived in a big house. When this sentence is changed to past, it becomes they didn't live in a big house. The second example, he played football. When we change this sentence into negative sentence, it becomes he doesn't play football. Now let's move to the second use, which is making questions in present. I look good in this dress. There is no helping word for this present simple tense. So we use do as a helping verb here. But in questions, helping words come first. So when we change this into question, it becomes, do I look good in this dress? Now let's move to the second example. She walks to school. How do we change this into question? We use does because the subject is she. So it becomes, does she walk to school? Making past tense question is very simple. We just use did in the place of do. He walked to school. So it becomes, did he walk to school? Second example, she looked good. So this becomes, did she look good? I hope you guys understood this video. If you do, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.